Hi everyone. So today's video is all about how you can create your GitHub profile like more appealing to other users. Like as you can see, I have a GitHub profile on the screen, which is like a simple, basic, default GitHub profile with like all the contribution and just the repos names over here. And then on the other side, I have my own repo, like my own profile page, so which has like a customized profile which will like have some section about myself, my social media links, my tech stack, my GitHub status, and all the badges that I earned in GitHub while contributing to open source projects and to my personal projects as well. And also in the bottom I have like profile views, and then I have my popular repository section, and then I have like contribution that I did in last year. So I did like 569 contribution, and it's also have some awards over here, so that if a recruiter see your profile, then they see like the profile in they can understand your what kind of person you are, what kind of skills do you have just with your GitHub profile. Because for the designers who are into more UI UX part, they have their personal portfolio. I'm not saying that there is like it's not necessary for developers to build a portfolio, but as per industry standard, it's important that developer will have GitHub profile first and then they have their portfolio. Or you can add this GitHub profile link to your LinkedIn as well. I attach this into my LinkedIn profile. I'll provide the my LinkedIn profile link in the bio as well as my GitHub profile link, so that you can check both at the same time. Yeah. So now let's get started. So if you want to create this kind of GitHub profile from this kind of GitHub profile, so what you need to do, just simple stuff. Go to google.com, and you just need to search GPRM. That means GitHub profile README marker. So here is the GitHub profile. So before going to this page, let me just give you one more sneak peek. So go to your GitHub profile and go to the go to the repository section over here. Once you go to the repository section, make sure you have like a repository with your name or whatever profile name do you want. So just create a click on this, and then you can create a repository name with your name, with your profile name. I already created it, so it's saying me you cannot create it. So let's suppose that you are creating this, so make your repository public. Otherwise, if you make it private, then nobody will see your profile. And then check this box, add readme file. This will add a readme file into your GitHub profile. That I'll explain in the video later, that you need a readme profile for that. So once you did that, just hit create repository, then it will create a repository for you, and you can see those repository in the repository section over here into your home page. Now let's jump back to the GitHub profile README viewer. So here you just input your GitHub profile. So my profile name is this, and I hit click this. So this will ask you about myself, like I am currently a web developer. I love to learn new technologies, and you can add some like whatever fun thing you want. Coffee plus code is equal to great product, or whatever you want. You can also add emojis here as well. Then you can click on this next button. So now you're on the next page. In this section, you can see it will automatically fetch your GitHub stats from GitHub cloud to this GPRM server, so that here I can see my total contribution and all that, and it will only pick those contribution which the repos are having public domain, not for the private repos, because it's getting data from GitHub API. Then I just click next, and here is like my social media links. I only add LinkedIn profile over here. I don't want my Instagram, Facebook, but it's up to you that if you have any other profile, a YouTube channel or a Quora page or something like that. In future, I'll also add this YouTube channel link once this channel grows at least 1,000 subs. But let's back to the topic. Then hit next, and then here it's the main stuff that if you are a web dev, if you are a mobile dev, if you are in machine learning or any other technologies that you are in, then here you can select those technologies. Like I'm a web developer and I know mobile development as well, so I can click on JavaScript, GraphQL, and what else I also know C++, C. Then what are the languages? Yeah, I think, yeah, a little bit of Python. No, but I'm still learning it. No. Then AWS and GitHub Pages, Firebase for this, like Bootstrap, and what else? I think it's a lot of stuff. So you just need to focus on this and read everything. That what are the technologies that you know? React Router, React Query, React Native. Just add as much as you want, but remember that those are the technologies which you really know, because sometimes interviewers may ask you that, okay, in your GitHub profile you mentioned this, but like just tell me about this. What kind of projects did you make? Where is your GitHub repo for this particular technology? So be sure to add only those technologies which you really know. Then Amazon DynamoDB, where is MySQL and MongoDB. And design, if you're a UI UX designer, or if you know machine learning concept like NumPy, Pandas. I don't know because I'm gonna start learning this, but still. And then other technologies, if you know some other technologies like Twilio or third-party APIs, you can add those. So let's just add some more technologies: GitHub CI and GitHub. Here, I don't think so. I know like Trello at Twilio. Yeah, I know these two. Notion as well. These are like project management tools. So it's really, if you know these technologies, if you know these tools as well, it will give you a plus point. Hit next, and these are some button, like if you want to add a donate button, which usually people don't do, but like it's up to you. If you want somebody viewing your profile and you want donation from them, I don't know for what reason, then you can add this. But I don't want this donation, so I just want subscribe from you. I don't want donation, so I'll just go next. Here is the trophy section which I told you. It's just fetching from GitHub API, which will like, it's just a dummy data profile views that 100,000 and that. But when you like when you apply this on the GitHub servers, then it will fetch the original data. But these trophies, these are like a real data. So see, it will saying that okay, this will provide this kind of stats. And yeah, this is the UI which we have created. Oh, I think I forget to add the trophy section. Add GitHub trophies. You need to click on this, and then next. See, these are the GitHub trophies. This is real data. Profile views, 35 views. Maybe hope so. One day I can get 1,000 views. I don't know. And these are the technologies. These are about me section. Just add a cool about me, about yourself. Like my about me is like where my about me section. So I just write down this about myself with the icons as well, so that people can relate it like more clearly. And once you have done with this, then what you need to do, just you can copy this code or you can download this markup file. So let's just copy the code. It will copy the HTML or the markup language that you needs to do this. Then go to this readme file. Like you have created your GitHub repo in the beginning, right? Now you can, and you have added the readme file. Just click on this. Now you can click on this edit button. I already have my scripts over there, so you just paste it over here and then just commit changes here. And once you have done the commit, once you have committed all the changes, then click on this in the top left bar. It will take you to your like profile page, and then you can see the magic over here. Your GitHub profile is not looking like that boring profile which you have saw here in the beginning. It looks like more professional, more convenient. And just copy this link and paste it into your LinkedIn profile, so that, and just add a button on it that visit my GitHub, so that if a recruiter wants to hire you, they'll see your resume and then they'll see your GitHub profile, which is like really engaging. It's not about like 1,000 commits or 1,000 contribution over a year. It's about showing yourself how you are, how you can sell yourself in the market with the tech skills and with the GitHub profile and with the portfolio as well if you want. So that's it about the video, guys. If you guys like this video, then subscribe the channel as well and stay connected for the future videos. I'll see you in the next one.